Brother, how was the Avatar experience?
It's nice. It's very good.
How much would you rate on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'll give a 9.
So, how was the Avatar experience? Avatar experience.
Experience. Yeah, it was not okay. I mean, I would say okay, but it was kind of boring. I would say.
Comparing to 1 and 2?
Uh, I'm a rating out of 5.
No, comparing to 1 and 2 visuals and storyline.
Yeah, one was very good. The two was also was good. Okay, but third was I did not like it.
Visuals, in terms of visuals?
Visuals were okay. I mean, so we came here for the movie just because of the visuals, in fact. Okay, but overall the movie was kind of boring.
Okay.
We wanted to see the visual. That is the reason why we were here. In fact.
Where people should expect either just 3D or just IMAX 3D. This particular reason.
Well, for this particular movie, people should prefer to go with for the 3D only. Okay, not for the 2D. 2D won't be able to. I mean, the kind of effect you would able to see, it's definitely going to be arrive only in the 3D, or maybe 4DX would be the much more better as well.
How much would you rate?
I would rate out of 5 is going to be okay. In terms of the visualization, I would rate 5 out of 5. Okay, in terms of the storyline, I would rate 1.5 or 2 maximum. That's it.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks you.
Was okay, but I guess 1 and 2 are better.
Avatar experience.
Nice. Nice.
How much is it?
Visually exploring, exploding, and everything. Good.
You enjoyed the overall experience.
Absolutely.
How's the Avatar experience?
Too good of a movie.
On a scale of 1 to 10 rating?
8.5, 9.
Avatar should be watched in IMAX 3D or just 3D?
IMAX 3. Definitely IMAX 3.
Thank you. Avatar experience was very good. How's the movie?
It was amazing.
You liked it?
Yeah.
It was great.
Which one was the best? 1, 2, or 3?
Sorry?
Which one was the best? 1, 2, or 3?
It's all the same.
Should we experience in IMAX 3D or just 3D?
Max 3D.
How's the movie, bro?
Better than the second part.
Movie. How's the movie? So, how was the experience? Avatar?
The movie was much better than it was expected. Loved it really.
Should be experienced in IMAX 3D or just 3D?
No, it's just because of IMAX 3D. It's better actually.
How much should you rate?
Sorry?
How much should you rate?
9 out of 10.
Guys, how was the experience? Avatar experience. How's the experience?
For Avatar,
Avatar, yeah.
it was okay. It was nice. Visually, it's nice. Story was felt a bit repetitive.
Which one was the best? 1, 2, or 3?
One was the best, I think. Probably because it was the first time I saw something like this. But now I think it's getting repetitive with the story. But yeah, visually it's nice. It's a good one-time experience.
How much should you rate?
How much did I?
How much should you rate?
I would rate it maybe 6. 6.
Should be experienced in just 3D or IMAX 3D.
IMAX 3D is good. Yeah.
How much should you rate?
Out of 10, I'll say 8.5.
Avatar experience. How's the experience, sir?
It's amazing. It was nice.
How much should you rate on a scale of 1 to 10?
It was visual spectacle, and story felt like somewhat slow in the beginning, but the war scenes were good.
Comparing to 1 and 2?
One was best, then 3, then 2.
Comparing to visuals,
Visual 3 is best. Yeah.
how much should you rate?
Visuals out of 10, 9, 9.5.
Where you should experience either just 3D or IMAX 3D?
I think IMAX 3D is better. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Avatar experience.
Amazing.
How much should you rate?
Uh,
1 to 10.
out of 10,
Yeah.
9, 9.5. Yeah.
Thank you. How's the movie, bro?
It was crazy. 11 or 10.
Which one was the best? 1, 2, or 3?
Probably 2, but 3 was great.
Visuals, comparing to visuals?
Oh, 3. 3.
Thank you.
All.
How much should you rate on a scale of 1 to 10?
8.
So, how was the experience?
It was like expected a bit more from the movie, but it was fine, I guess. It was not like mind blowing kind of thing. That
Yeah,
you
like
expected.
the expectation set by the Way of Water, it was pretty high. Whereas this movie was okay, but it would have been better.
How much should you rate?
Huh?
How much should you rate? Rating.
Rating 3.5 out
Which
of
one was the best? 1, 2, or 3? In terms of visuals
two,
and
two,
story.
two, two,
What was
four.
the
Yeah,
best?
yeah.
Visuals?
Visual wise, two was the best, I think. Yes.
Same.
I think when we finish all the movies, then all these movies would make sense.
No, wait. How much would you rate?
9 out of 10. Sure.
I was watching it first time. I haven't watched
You liked it? You liked it?
Like, it was quite good. Thank you.
If there is something you can do, then you must do it.
Hey guys, Namaskara, welcome back to my channel. This is KK. This is Avatar movie Fire and Ash movie review in India for the first time, first day, first show. I think this is the first review in India which I took. People liked it, but oral visuals was awesome, means awesome. I liked it. It was really good experience in IMAX 3D. You guys should watch. If you guys watch the movie, please put your review in the comment section. This is KK and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Take care. Bye. Love you. Fire and Ash. Bye bye. See you. Take care. Bye.